Hello students, how are you all? So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is geography, physiographic divisions of Karnataka. In the last class we were seeing about the introduction and the coastal plains. So today I am going to explain all about the Malnad region. So where is Malnad region? The Malnad region is here in the Karnataka. Do you know what I mean by Malnad? Malnad is nothing but it is called as a hilly area. Is called as a hilly area. All hills, mountains will be there, very beautiful, attracting the people and covering with the clouds and all. With the this very beautifully we can the mountains are covered very beautifully with the clouds. And today I am going to explain you all about the Malnad region. So Malnad region is here. So in the last class we explained I explained about the coastal area. So today I am going to explain you all about the Malnad region. Malnad is nothing but it's called as an hilly area. Region is what is called as an area. Okay. The Western Ghats in our state are referred to as an Malnad or a land of hills. They are also called as Sahyadris. What they called? They also called as an Sahyadris. They also called as an hills. And Malnad runs parallel to the coastal line from north to south, and they have steep terrace, and the hills, how they look like a steps. The steps are there, easily we can climb the hills, and light slope in the west, gently slope, not so slow, so that we can climb and we can get up, like that it is. And to the east, hence they are called Ghats. They are also called as Ghats. They are parallel to coastal line. They run from the north to south, and Malnad region is called as a hilly area. Malnad region is what? Hilly area. Region means area. And they are 650 kilometers in length and 50 to 76 kilometers in width, and the height ranges from 900 to 1500 meters from above from sea level. And these hills these hills, what they do, they stop, they are just like they are obstacle the rain bearing winds from the Arabian Sea. So whichever the winds are coming, the rain bearing winds or clouds, these mountains, these hills, what they do is they are just like they are obstacle, they are stop, and due to that they cause heavy rain. Often more than how many centimeters the rain will fall? It's 200 centimeters. And the highest peak in this region are Mullayanagiri hill. It is the highest peak. And not apart from that, that hill, that is Kudremukha, Kalhatti Giri, Rudragiri, and Devi Ramana Gudda. These are the highest peaks of the in the Malnad region hills, and all these peaks are in Chikkamangaluru, where these all are the hills are highest hills are in Chikkamangaluru, and in them, in the hills, which is the highest peak in the state, that is Mullayanagiri, that is how many meters? That is 1913 meters highest peak in the state. That is which hill? That is Mullayanagiri. Which hill? That is Mullayanagiri. That is 1913 meters highest peak in the state. And there are some routes are there, that is yes, and highest peak in that, and Mangaluru district, that is Ballarayana Gudda, Durga, Mirti Gudda, and Pushpagiri, and Kodu Chadri, and Mullayanagiri, that is 1913 14 meters highest peak in the state. So these are the highest peaks in the state. It is in the Mangaluru district. And there are some routes are there in the routes are eastern plains, coastal plains, and the western Ghats. Those routes are important major routes. That is, those are called formed by the Ghat section also we can check. That is Charmadi Ghat. That is it links Mangaluru and Chikmagaluru. Next, Sahyadri Ghat. It links Hassan, Sankleshwarpur and Mangaluru. And Agumbe Ghat. It links Shivamogga and Udupi. And Ulikal Ghat. It links, that is Shivamogga and Kundapur. So these are the Ghats in the western, eastern plains, coastal plains, and the western Ghats. And since Malnad region, hilly region, Malnad region means hilly area, receive heavy rainfalls. How many centimeters rainfall it receives? It receives the 200 centimeters of rainfall. It's received. Why it receives? Because of the hills and all those hills, they act like obstacles. They stop the rain-bearing winds. Because of that, here 200 centimeters of rains it takes place, and because of that, this region is called as a heavy rainfall region. And it attracts the attractive, because of that attractive hills, and it covers with dense because of the rainfall. The forest, all the time the forest will be evergreen, and it will be very thick, dense means what? It will be very thick forest, and it is the birthplace of many rivers. They form wonderful waterfalls, the famous waterfalls like Jog Falls. Due to Sharavati river, it is the highest waterfall in the highest waterfall and of India. And the other important waterfalls are the Unchali, Madgod, and Gokak, Shivana Samudram, and AB Falls. These are the, apart from the Jog Falls, these are the other important falls. And not only that, we can see here tea, coffee, rubber plantation also takes places, and the spices are grown abundantly on the slopes. On the slopes means on the mountain slopes and all. Since coffee is grown widely in Chikmagaluru, so it is called as a land of coffee. And Kodagu district is known as a Kashmir of Karnataka because of its cool weather. As oranges are grown abundantly more in Kodagu district, it is also called as a land of oranges. So Kodagu district is also called as a Kashmir of Karnataka state, and it is also called as a land of oranges also, which district that is in Kodagu district, and it is also referred to as a land of oranges. At present, Malnad has been identified as a biodiversity zone. Why it is called as a biodiversity zone? Because they are protecting the varieties of plants and animals. So it is called as a biodiversity, and protecting in which districts are in the Hassan, Kodagu, Shivamogga, and Chikmagaluru are the districts of the Malnad region. Which are the districts of the Malnad region? That is Hassan, Kodagu, Shivamogga, Chikmagaluru are the districts of the Malnad region. So in this Malnad area, in the hilly area, which are the places, districts we can see, that is Malnad, Kodagu, Shivamogga, Chikmagaluru are the districts, main districts of the Malnad region. So this is the thing about the Malnad region. It is called as a land of hills. Malnad region is called as a land of hills because of the hills and all. And we have seen some of the Ghat sections also here, which are the important Ghat sections in the eastern plains, in the western Ghats, and the coastal plains. That is Charmadi Ghat that links Mangaluru and Chikmagaluru, Sahyadri Ghats links Hassan, Sankleshwarpur and Mangaluru, and Agumbe that links Shivamogga and Udupi, Hulikal that links the Shivamogga and the Kundapur, and the highest peak of this Malnad region, that is Mulayanagiri, that is 1930 13 meters highest peak in the state, in our state. So this is, and this region receives highest rainfall. How many centimeters of rainfall it receives? That is 200 centimeters of rainfall. Because of this, it attracts the tourist also, and it is also a dense forest because of the rainfall. Thick forest, evergreen, all the time it will be evergreen. Not only that, many rivers have taken birth, and wonderful waterfalls also are there, like Jog Fall. The Jog Fall, it is due to the Sharavati river. Not only that, many other Jog Falls also are there. That is Unchala, Gokak, Shivana Samudra, Ebe waterfalls are very important waterfalls. Tea, coffee, rubber, spices plantation also we can see. And Chikmagaluru is called as a land of coffee, and Kodagu district is called as it is known as a Kashmir of Karnataka, and it is also called as a land of oranges also. Why? Because the oranges are grown abundantly here. So I hope so you all understanding my explanation, students. Tomorrow again I am going to continue with my same lesson. Thank you, students.